Begu, Begu.
Imule, hello, what up, guys? Your boy na CJ. I'm with my big man friend here, my long time friend here,
Sky D.
Sky D. And we have our general chairman here,
VIC.
Oga VIC. Actually, guys, this Oga VIC here, and this my guy here. They just know for some period of time now. So this my guy here, Sky D, call me tell me say guy e get matter wey dey ground now o. I come be like say wetin be the matter now. Say guy he come talk say e get this him big man friend, this my oga wey dey here, him dey stay for Abuja. So e get this him wife wey marry new, he just marry the girl never too tey.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, I no can understand Nigeria women again. Why be saying Nigeria women come dey choose man now? Me no understand. Do not be the men they cheat again and the women. All the women now for Nigeria now hook up all of the con they do. This man now just cash a wife now they do hook up. Like me no understand. Saying the year rumor say a wife they do hook up. Or he can cash and red down dead. Me no understand. Now women come they do hook up these days. As in young girls say they do it, say they never marry, they get boyfriend, we go still understand. Not be woman we get husband. Even this one, the one we come shop with this one really born Pikin. What do you come they look for? Which money you come they look for rich like that? Where you can't go they do hook up? I don't understand. My people, this one shocked me. This one loud, like seriously. Waiting Nigeria women come once now. Not faithful one they get, I be waiting now. How can a married woman want go do hook up? Carry Pikin follow body, want go do hook up. Hey. Not the way Musa no go see forget. Eh? Person go do all those videos now, go they say na arrange. Which arrange be this one? When I can't watch this video now. Now see 10 minutes say this one arrange for comment section. Me no understand. How can a woman, married woman, go they cheat on the husband? Now wow, I never see this kind of thing before. But if not be this prank, we for never know say many women they use this wetin be need they call ore till they finish their husband. How can a woman go they cheat on your husband? If you not like this or Thomas again, no tell them. Now wow, my people, this one carry small baby one go Jogodo another man. More na come see my people. More na help me share this video. More na let the video go viral. Bye everybody.
For some period of time now. So this my guy here, Sky D, call me tell me say guy e get matter wey dey ground now o. I come be like say wetin be the matter now. Say guy he come talk say e get this him big man friend, this my oga wey dey here, him dey stay for Abuja. So e get this him wife wey marry new, he just marry the girl never too tey. So him talk say the people dey tell am say the wife dey cheat on am, but he no believe. based on say the wife just give birth, and people him now go come dey reason say how wife wey just give birth 4 months ago go come dey do hook up dey cheat. How come? And this wife we are talking about, this our guy here talk say he bad for a month. So wetin dey send give him wife, he bad 150 200k money. That one be say money no dey town o, say money hard to get 150 200k. But just imagine say the wife dey do hook up. Omo, so we come tell am say he come talk say he wan prank him wife. So he come call this my guy here, come call am tell am say he wan prank that him wife. So but say he just wan prank am, but he no still believe am o. So he come give this my oga here number, make him call, make him chat am up for hook up of 50,000. Man we dey give you 150,000, you still dey do hook up of 50,000. So he come chat am up, he come agree. So as he agree now, he come tell this my oga here talk say she don agree o. This my oga say na lie, dem screenshot the chat send give am, he say na lie, he no still believe am. Say he wan see am koroko, come say okay no wahala, so we go broadcast everything. We come give the woman location of the hotel wey him go meet, then we come call this our guy make him come, but make him no be say I dey explain everything, make him explain abeg.
So the issue na as the thing come be, me I don tell am already o, say shey no trust women, but still trust your wife. As na your wife, me still trust am, me no lose hope. So as him tell me, I come talk say okay, as I wan run the thing now, as I run the thing get head, now I call am for phone, come tell am say oga the thing don get head o, say the wife don gree o. He tell me say no dey agree, say no be him wife, come dey swear say no be him wife. And na pastor he no dey talk say because of na the video wey him give for the wife na, he no dey talk say that thing no fit happen. Now I come tell am say okay, see wetin you go do. I come tell am where we go fit run the thing, tell am the hotel. He say okay no wahala, he don come out now. So now as e be now, I wan call the wife because I don tell the wife say the thing the book we don book the thing make e come here now this hotel na wetin na here im dey come so na the matter we wan run now.
Alongside dem make we just hear from the victim himself mo hear.
Please, I don't believe it's my wife you call. This girl just gave birth 4 months ago. How will she do such thing? You understand? I still believe that there's a mistake somewhere. You understand? It's not happening. My wife oh, where will she keep this little child? This is someone I send every month 200,000. Before now, self, this month that just ended, that just ended before this. I mean December, December month. I sent her 250,000 naira. This January I've never ended. I've also sent her 150. Then why would she go for hookup? On which level now? So I don't believe this guy D.
Don
I don't believe maybe there's
Okay.
mistake somewhere.
Okay.
Or you are planking me.
oga
You
no we are
understand?
not pranking you.
Okay.
No. Maybe you are playing with me.
No. But
Sure, that's what I'm
everything go happen. Sky.
okay e go be
abeg,
like this na here o dey
yes.
oga mo try am mo just try
Don't
am
worry,
no
Sky,
try
Just
am
do what you need to do. But
Yeah.
I know it's not my wife.
me even
My
me sef
wife-
I know say no be your me sef I know say no be your wife
Home training. It's not my wife. You understand?
me I know say no be your wife
You are planning something.
okay
So Chairman just call am call
okay
am.
oga na the matter we wan start now we no go waste time make we just check but promise us something say even if say when she come if na your wife abeg no touch am no beat am you know say e dey with small baby na abi
I'm
abeg
sure it's not my wife.
yes me even me sef I'm sure
No big talk
Okay.
make no come dey like
It's
say
not my wife.
we dey clear your belief.
okay
No.
okay
Call put am on speaker
Sky, do you
abeg
know what
no
is playing?
talk again abeg in case she pick.
It's not my wife.
She no dey pick. You know be say she don prank us also.
mo ya check first now
May no be say she don prank us also. Call am again.
you
Call am.
na still wey she be o mo try again o if she na spirit
I'll
o
say it's not my
Pick
wife.
am again. Pick am again.
I know what I'm saying.
Put am on speaker. Put am on speaker. Very good. She don pick. She don pick.
hello baby how are you
Yeah, fine.
I'm
Please, I'm coming. I'm on my way.
okay please come fast now
All right. I hope my 50,000 naira is intact.
yes 50,000 I'll give you more than
I won't waste time because I'm with baby.
okay no problem no
I'm with you, so I'm coming.
okay I'm waiting
Okay, thank you.
all right
See am.
okay hold on
Say even talk say him dey with baby dey come.
if you like that if you like that one chop your the baby na woman if you like that one chop the mother chop the pikin
No wahala, guys, no wahala.
Let me
Along,
do prank.
no, calm down first, calm down. Alongside you are watching this video, don't forget to share. Don't forget to share. We're actually going to hide now so that him and go fit run everything.
Yeah.
Don't forget to watch this video, comment.
Cynthia, what is wrong with you? Huh? You are doing hookup. Huh? You are doing hookup. This is what. You are doing hookup. You are doing hookup.
No, Chema.
Chema, is it what you are doing hookup?
Chema, wait, Chema,
You are doing hookup. No, Chema, wait. This guy away. You are doing hookup. You are doing hookup. You are doing hookup.
Oga, calm
You are doing
down.
hookup.
Oga, calm down, beg. I go, Chema, calm down.
See,
Chema, calm down.
I'm done. I'm done. At this minute, you are leaving. You are going out of my house.
Chema,
You are doing hookup.
Chema, calm down.
Sky, is it how you people operate here?
Okay, I tell you now.
Is it how you people operate here? Sky. Sky.
Chema, calm down, calm down.